Okay, good evening, everyone. Okay, thank you. Hope you enjoy with our presentation. On this session, we will presenting an explanation about surface mount technologies. So this presentation is referring to the report of practical SMT coming from group one. So we presenting on this uh, on 5th September 2022. We coming from EM Malam. Okay, so before we continue to this presentation, on this presentation we be used to language. The first is Bahasa Indonesia, and then second is English language. So we continue to the next. Okay, this is name of group. So we have four mahasiswa to make this presentation. First is Willy Isranda Sihombing, then second is Taufikur Rahman, then the third is me, Angga Hermin Iswanto, so the fourth is Rahmat Effendi. Contents our presentation are is first is identification of a component, so total is 10 component. So the second is definition of the PCB, the third is solder paste, the fourth is surface mount technology. All right, continue to the next slide.
The first component, one type resistor SMD, package type CR head, resistance present chip resistor, posisi R1 and R2. This is the are the component. The type resistor SMD, packaging SMD component R SOT 23 and sub SOT 2023 part posisi 1 tipe next tipe ICSMD packaging through all mount packings posisi U2 next tipe kapasitor packaging surface mount multilayer ceramic chips kapasitor mil position C1 C2 C3 next component tipe IC adaptive packaging QFBS and QFDS are vehicle packaging in this group position U3 next type connector packaging female socket connector adapter for 2 mm posisi CN1 next component tipe oscillator SMD packaging SMD model through hall position X1 next component tipe kapasitor SMD packaging SMD chip electrolytic capacitor position J2 next type resistor SMD packaging resistor parallel position RP2 next component type IC S7 4FC T2020 45 packaging QFPS and QFGS are typical packaging its group position U6.
Okay, let I continue our presentation. So the second is definition of the PCB. So what is the definition of the PCB? What is the PCB? So basically PCB is the abbreviation of the printed circuit board. Okay, printed circuit board. So what is the meaning of PCB? Actually, the PCB is media interconnection between component with others to get function what we are need. So on the below you can see the picture. Types of the PCB, we have three kind of the types of PCB. First is rigid, then the second is flexible. So the third is rigid flex, is combination for the number third is combination between rigid with the flex. So on the beside types of PCB, you can see on the picture is structure of the PCB. So we have also three kind of the structure. The first is a single layer, the second is a double layer, the third is a multi-layer. That you can see on the picture. For the single layer, actually for the can call is conductor is like copper, the copper only on the top surface. For the double layer, actually is have on the top and the bottom surface. If on the multi-layer, you have some copper inside on the substrate. Okay, next. Okay, that you can see on this slide, we explain about the part of the PCB that I have mentioned before. For the part of the PCB, we have some kind of material or part on the PCB. The first is the substrate that it have support the copper top and bottom. On the this picture is double layer. As you can see, this one arrow that mentioned on the top have the copper, then the bottom also have the copper. The one is a conductor. Okay, beside of the picture, the one is additional to talk about the PCB that I have received this information from lecturer the last week from our lecturer. The first is organic rigid. We refer to the IPC 222. We have six type. The first is you can see on this slide is single side. The type 2 is double side. Then the third is a multi-layer board with the blend or bullet vias. Then the type 4 is multi-layer board. Then the type 5 is multi-layer with a metal core board. So the last is type 6 multi-layer metal core. Okay, then on the below picture, that one is flexible. We refer to the IPC 2223. We have five kind of the type of the flexible PCB. That one is single side, then the second is double side, then the multi-layer flexible printed wiring, then the fourth is multi-layer rigid, then the last is flexible or rigid. That one is overview to regarding the definition of the PCB. Actually, for the PCB is a lot of definition, a lot of explanation we need to how to say, we need to explain to your, but that one is only overview about the PCB. Okay, for next presentation will be held by Willy. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity that I get from Mr. Angga. So let me continue the presentation. So what is the definition of solder paste? Solder paste is a kind of compound that we use for minimalize layer of oxidation during the soldering process. Why does we need to avoid the oxidation? It's for because the oxidation can cause corrosion on the PCB or can cause the corrosion on the PCB, and the PCB will not be last long, and the PCB will ini boleh ulang kan mas? Kalau ada dipotong bisa? Nggak bisa. Bisa diedit. Okay. Okay. Definition of solder paste. So what is solder paste? Solder paste is a kind of compound that we use for the minimalized layer of oxidation during the soldering process. Why we need to remove the oxidation? Because oxidation can cause the corrosion on the tin. So because so the tin can connect it to the so the PCB will not have a bad contact or connection. There is two type. There is in picture below. There is two example of solder paste. Next. This is the example of a material datasheet for solder paste. It's from the Senmao technology. It's a lead-free solder paste. What is contained on the material datasheet? There is a basic overview of the solder paste. The application, the feature is contained the appearance, alloy composition, melting point, particle size, powder shape, flux content, halide content, viscosity, flux type, and the alloy detail composition. And this is the performance and reliability. This is the recommended flow profile. Thanks for my chance. Next will be presented by Taufik.
Okay, the last part, I will continue the presentation. Surface mount technology. What is the SMT? SMT teknologi yang digunakan untuk memasangkan komponen elektronika ke permukaan PCB. Komponen elektronika yang dapat dipasangkan oleh mesin SMT adalah komponen khusus yang biasanya disebut dengan komponen surface mount device atau SMD. Next, this is SMT process flow. First, PCB bare, loading, solder paste printing, mounting process, reflow oven, unloading, web soldering, and AOI. First machine is autoloader machine. Second is solder paste machine. Solder paste machine. Third, pick and place machine. This stage is to mount some component into PCB after apply solder paste station. Only component SMD able mounting to the station. The reflow machine, this stage is reflow, the solder paste reflow in the molten stage, creating permanent solder joints. Reflow process have some zone in FME is 9 zone with each zone have different temperature setting. Unloader station. This stage is to unload the PCB after process reflow. Web solder machine. This stage is process soldering with method web solder, which is this process usually to solder through whole component. Auto optical machine. This side is to check result soldered by 2D. This machine have limitation to check condition solder itself. Normally after check by this machine still need to do manual visual inspection. Example defect can be detected by this machine: wrong component, misalignment, missing tombstone, wrong polarity. Okay, that's all for me.
Okay, after topic presentation, I think our presentation will be closed or will be done. Yeah, that's all our presentation. Hope you enjoy and get understanding with our explanation. So we meet with another presentation on next presentation. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Thank you. Bye bye.